In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Kyrgyz economic delegation has paid a visit to Kabul. The discussion on plans for building commercial markets at the Inter-Ministerial Investment Committee meeting in several provinces. And Pakistan faces $4.5 billion loss due to closure of borders with Afghanistan. Welcome to today's news package. It's Wednesday, the 26th of Jamad al-Thani, 1447, the 26th of August, 1404, and the 17th of December, 2025. The news details. During the official visit of a Kyrgyz delegation to Afghanistan, the Kyrgyzstan Trade House was inaugurated in Kabul with the presence of Molavi Nuruddin Azizi, Afghanistan's Minister of Industry and Commerce, and His Excellency Bekir Sadikov, the Kyrgyzstan's Minister of Economy and Trade. The Minister of Industry and Commerce has described the inauguration of this trade house as an important step toward strengthening commercial and economic ties between Afghanistan and Kyrgyzstan. At the regular meeting of the Inter-Ministerial Investment Committee, discussions were held on proposals of constructing commercial markets in Gusfandi, the district of Sarapul province, and in the city of Shabarkhan, the provincial capital of Juzjan. The economic director of the Prime Minister's office stated that the designated committee has been tasked to conduct a comprehensive analysis of the proposed projects and presents its final reports to the Inter-Ministerial Investment Committee. The news continuation. The Minister of Justice reports that the Commission for the Prevention and Restitution of Land Grabbing has identified nearly 761,000 acres of land across the country as emirate-owned since the beginning of the current Hijri year. The Ministry added that during this period, the survey and assessment team for pastures has identified more than 4,167,000 acres of public grazing land in the capital and 10 districts of Badghis province, which have been registered in the National Land Bank. Pakistan's Dow newspaper, quoting officials from Afghanistan-Pakistan Joint Chamber of Commerce and Industry, has reported that the closure of Pakistan trade routes with Afghanistan has so far inflicted a loss of $4.5 billion on Pakistan's trade sector. Officials from Chamber have warned that should this situation continue, Pakistan's seasonal export, including quinoa and potatoes, may incur an additional loss of $200 million. The reports further state that the halt of coal imports from Afghanistan has increased production costs for Pakistan industries. That's the end of our news program. For further informative materials, you could track Urooj on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.